Welcome to our tutorial on how to add an event to your Facebook story on your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located at the top of your feed to begin crafting your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or select an existing media from your camera roll to feature in your story. Step 4. Tap on the sticker icon, typically depicted as a square smiley face, positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. Search for the event sticker among the sticker options and select the event you want to promote or share with your friends. Step 6. Once you've chosen the event sticker, you can place it anywhere on your story by adjusting its position. Step 7. When you are happy with how your story looks, tap Share to post it to your Facebook story, allowing your friends to see and engage with the event details. By following these steps, you can easily share and promote events with your Facebook friends through your stories. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showcasing how to add an event to your Facebook story on your Android device. Enhance your storytelling experience by including events in your stories and connecting with your friends in a new way.